Do you want your phone to greet you in the morning, maybe tell you the time and today's weather the moment you wake up? Let's turn on the morning briefing routine on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. This routine is part of the new Android 16 preset routine. It reads out the current date, time, and weather like after you dismiss your alarm. It's simple, helpful, and a nice way to start your day. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen, tap Mode and Routine, tap Discover, scroll down to the bottom. Under Weather Routine section, select Morning Briefing. In the If section, tap Selected Alarm Dismiss. Choose your wake up alarm, then tap Done. In the Then section, here's what the routine does automatically. It checks the current weather in your current location and also the current date and time. Then your phone will greet you good morning aloud while telling you the current date, the time, and the weather outside. Tap Save to add the routine to your list. And that's it. Now, every time you dismiss your morning alarm, your phone will greet you and tell you everything you need to start the day. It's a small feature but really useful for daily routine. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.